Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I'm going to be talking about some NFTs today, and a lot of you guys are going to be coming from the Pluto Alliance Discord group. And as most of you know, I am a part of their team. I've been working for them for a while now. You can see a bunch of tweets here that I've been tweeting about them. You can see them all popping up now on screen. Guys, I just love this project. All the utilities the NFTs provide for the holders. You know, they have a new launch with V2. They do have a version 1, which you can go on OpenSea, and I'll show you guys about V1. And if you want to buy a V1, you can do. But V2 is coming out very soon. The mint is currently ongoing. You can buy one for 0.08 ETH. And all you have to do is go to v2.plutoalliance.com. I'll have all the links down below for you guys. But if you do grab yourself a V2, there's going to be tons of utility, such as like getting Super Bowl tickets, cruise ships like tickets to go on holiday. You know, you're going to get merchandise with Pluto Alliance. You might be able to meet Ben. You know, there's going to be tons of stuff, right? And when I say Ben from Bitboy Crypto, because it's his project and whatnot. But yeah, like guys, the utility is going to be massive of this. And if you're a V1 holder, you already know what happens with Pluto Alliance, right? Over $500,000 have been given back to the Pluto Alliance family, to all the holders. So imagine what V2 is going to bring, right? You know, we've got partnerships with Starship, which is a game coming out, and we own our own space station, and you can find $50,000 in Bitcoin on one of the planets. You guys, we'll do some more videos on NFTs on each project, and maybe each video we'll talk about maybe the different partners and what they provide for Pluto Alliance. But we have so many partnerships, and there's more to come. There has been hints of Coinbase possibly being a thing. I do not know if that's confirmed or not. I just know it's been hinted at. It could be a possibility. So, you know, if you're into your NFT game, when Coinbase comes up with NFTs, and if Pluto Alliance is one of the first to be on their NFT platform, it's just going to be crazy. I do think the floor price for Pluto Alliance will be 1 ETH one day, and I just think that's small. I think the utility is too big for this. But guys, you only have like, I think about a week now to mint. Today's video is on the 8th of December. So, you know, if you do want to make sure getting mint and getting early, you can do. You might get yourself a really rare Pluto alien. You can get princes on this one. On the first version one, you could get kings. But on this one, you can get like princes and generals and whatnot. But yeah, guys, make sure to head over to plutoalliance.com. All the links will be down below. But yeah, the utility is going to be massive. I'm looking forward to it. And as all you guys already know, if you're a Pluto holder, over $500,000 have been given away. And it's just so exciting. So guys, please subscribe to this channel. Follow me, my journey of Pluto Alliance. I'm going to be making more videos about NFTs. And I've got a bit of a cough, so I apologise if my voice sounds a bit off. I'm trying to hold it back. But I wanted to get this video out as quick as possible and just make sure you guys are aware of the mint. But yeah, guys, honestly, if you are from Pluto Alliance, you already know what's coming. If you are new to this channel or new to NFTs in general, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to go through it all, games, just everything. So yeah, guys, honestly, take a look. Come join the Discord again, all links down below, and I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.